In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Mailchimp campaign. Whether you're looking to tweak your email marketing strategy, update your content, or simply want to refresh the design of your existing campaign, you've come to the right place. Editing your Mailchimp campaign is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step to ensure your campaign not only looks professional, but also captures the attention of your audience. To begin, you'll need to access your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. This is your starting point. From the dashboard, you're going to want to look for the Campaigns section, which is typically found in the top menu. By clicking on Campaigns, you'll be taken to the area where all your email marketing magic happens. Here, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Scroll through this list and select the one you want to edit by clicking on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of your campaign, where you'll find the Edit Design button. Clicking this button will let you enter the Campaign Designer, the place where all the exciting changes take place. Inside the Campaign Designer, you'll notice several options available to customize your campaign. These options generally appear as tabs or sections. Let's start with the Content section. Here, you can add or modify text, images, buttons, and other essential elements in your campaign. Think of this section as the heart of your campaign, where you effectively convey your message. Next, it's time to explore the Layouts tab. Layouts are pre-designed structures that dictate how the elements in your campaign are arranged. Opting for a different layout can significantly alter the look and feel of your email, offering fresh perspectives and engaging designs. Then, click on the Styles tab. This is where you can get creative with your campaign's aesthetics. Adjust fonts, colors, and the overall style to ensure your email aligns with your brand's identity. Pay particular attention to the background color and body color options to create an appealing visual contrast that enhances readability. The Styles section also lets you customize text, links, and buttons. By clicking on text, you can define the font style, size, and color of your body text, critical for making your content accessible and easy to read. Under the link option, set the color and style of hyperlinks to ensure they stand out and encourage recipients to click through to your website or offer. Don't overlook the button option. The design of your buttons can significantly impact click-through rates, so customize the color, border, and text to make them truly pop. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign lies in maintaining a design consistent with your brand, ensuring clarity in your message, and making your call-to-action buttons enticing and noticeable. Once you've made all your desired changes, take a moment to review your campaign. Mailchimp offers a preview feature that allows you to see how your email will look on different devices and in various email clients. It's always wise to send a test email to yourself first, ensuring everything appears as expected before dispatching it to your entire list. Editing your Mailchimp campaign is an ongoing process, so don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts, styles, and content to see what resonates best with your audience. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to creating email campaigns that not only look great, but also drive results. Mailchimp is a powerful tool at your disposal, and with a little practice and creativity, you can leverage it to meet and exceed your email marketing goals. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial aids you in your journey to mastering Mailchimp campaigns.